like it. I like it. I like it. Have you not seen it? And have you not seen when you give a girl a gift and she'll be jumping like rats? There was this guy, one of my friends used to date. What this guy used to buy for my friend is okreka. Bend down, select. Hold on, guys. Sorry about that. Her boyfriend will buy her bend down select. When this boyfriend brings this bend down select, my friend will be jumping like rats. Okreka. But because she realized that that is his level, and she could have imagined how extra he went to, even, and he knows how to shop. You know that time, now Okreka, now you get correct clothes. When you
Hi guys, it's your girl. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time of coming across my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, to like, and to comment below. Turn up the notification bell so that anytime I upload a video, you will be the first to be alerted. But guys, don't forget to share the video. I bring out what is happening on social media. I bring it here for us to watch. So guys, I want to say a big thank you to my returning subscribers, and for those that do support me, I want to say may the Lord Almighty bless you all for supporting me. I love you all. See you next on my next video. Bye bye.
Hi guys, how are you guys doing? We're gonna be talking about a very interesting topic today. I know you guys have been waiting for me. How to make a woman love you for who you are and not what you have. Men, how to find true love. Oftentimes, so many men complain that these women keep coming to them because of what they have. Many men have complained that they barely find true love. Any woman that is coming to them because of their pockets and their palapala. So a lot of men are saying, blessing, is there true love? It is not only women that are looking for true love. Men are also looking for true love. Like, men want true love. It's been lots of trouble for a lot of men. I get lots of emails. Blessing, how do I know that this woman loves me? How do I know that she's not here for my money? How do I know that she's not here for my pockets? So that's why today I'm going to be talking to the handsome men in the building. This message will help you. I'm going to teach you a lot of things that you don't know. I'm going to illustrate a lot of things from a different perspective. You know, I'm one relationship therapist that talk about the things that people shy away from. And don't forget that my name is Okoro Blessing Nkiruka. I'm popularly known as a Blessing CEO, Africa's certified relationship and mental expert. The only woman who talks about the topics that bothers you behind closed doors. In as much as most of you come online, you rant, you shout, you cry, I still touch on those topics that you desperately want answers to. I could actually give myself some accolades and tell you that I am one relationship therapist that have given you so many answers to your unanswered question for free. Why do I give out all this information for free? It's because I love you. I love you very much. And I'm like that doctor that will warn you about your health before you fall victim. You know, when a doctor is telling you, don't take too much sugar, drink enough water, don't smoke too much, don't take too much alcohol, be careful of what you eat. I'm that doctor. Because the doctor knows that when you make mistake and have diabetes, you will pay through your nose. After warning you not to take too much sugar and you have diabetes, you pay me hospital bill. After warning you not to smoke too much and you have different type of disease and infection, you are still going to pay your doctor. Don't forget. Remember that the doctor also warned you. So I'm that doctor that like to warn my patients before they fall victim. Now, quick one. How do you make a woman love you for who you are and not what you have as a man? I'll teach you, but I want you to open up your ears. How to make a woman love you for who you are and not what you have. I'm going to ask you a question, and as you're listening to this video, I want you to ask yourself that question inside yourself and quickly answer that question. How to make a woman love you for who you are and not what you have. Now let me ask you a question as a man. Who are you? I'm going to ask you again. I want you to answer yourself inwardly. Who are you? You know, when people ask you, who are you? It sounds insulting and offensive. But I'm asking you now, you want women to love you for who you are. First of all, let me ask you, who are you? Because a lot of you men do not even have an identity. So if you cannot answer yourself genuinely who you are, what do you want the woman to come and love? This is a genuine question. So I'm also giving you an assignment as a man. You want a woman to come and love you for who you are. Do you know who you are? Now that question is a personal question you're going to answer yourself. If you cannot tell yourself who you are, then I don't think anybody can love you. Yes. So first of all, if you want people to love you for who you are, you must first of all understand who you are. Now let me quickly teach a lot of men. Some people are going to be saying, Blessing, what do you mean by who I am? You know, when you ask people who you are, they quickly attribute it to money and wealth. So that's the reason why when you ask people, who are you, they feel insulted. They think it's an insult. No. It's because when people hear who are you, they think you are saying, how much do I have? No. Who are you is your identity. It's like someone telling you, show us an identification. Your ID card. When police stop you, they will ask you, who are you? When you travel out of this country, they will ask you, who are you? That's why you have your green passport, your blue passport. But some people actually think that who are you is an insult. So when you ask them, who are you, they get aggressive. Why are you asking me who I am? Why are you asking me who I am? So I am asking a lot of men out there now. You want women to love you for who you are. You first of all need to know, who are you? Who are you first of all? Before we now start to talk about love. Let me break it down for a lot of men who might not understand. When people ask you, who are you? It simply means, what are you made of? What is your craft? What is your talent? What have you done? What have you created? Where are you going? Where are you from? If you have not identified those things, that you don't have an identity. Now let me quickly break down something to you guys. If you're a handsome man listening to this video, people cannot love you as a human being for being a human being. That one is humanity. You know, we have agape love, and we have the other kind of love that we give in relationship. I've forgotten the name. Agape love is that general love you give to people, which is the one you give to humanity. You see somebody that is suffering, you help the person. That's not the kind of love you give to your girlfriend or your boyfriend or your husband or your wife. Now, agape love is the general love for humanity. Good. Just loving people as just human beings. But when you're getting into a relationship, people cannot love you as a human being. Now, there is something about you. It's called identity. That's the meaning of that, who you are. People are loving Dangote, not because he's Dangote, it's because of what he has built for himself. If Dangote was not Dangote, he's not our spec. Dangote is not our spec. But because he's Dangote, he has an identity. A lot of girls will die for him. Otedola might not even be our spec. But because he has an identity, people will die for him. Davido might not be our spec. Wizkid might be too young for us. But because he's Wizkid, we can manage bigger identity. People cannot love you as a person. There must be something connected to you as a man that drags people to you. I will also give you, platonic love. Yes, my darling. I will also give you an instance. Do you know that a guy can be in year one right now and go and ask a girl out? And the mere fact that he tells the girl, hi, my name is Nelson, I'm a medical student. Bam! The girl is in love. Do you hear what I said? A young boy that did not have money now might be in year one and see a fine girl that he likes. And he just tells the girl, hi, my name is Nelson Okoro, and I'm a medical student. She's in love. Do you know what made her fall in love? Medicine. Identity. The moment you just hear medicine, hey, medical student, oh. Identity. Hi, my name is Emeka Rollers, and I'm in the law department. Bam! You don't fall in love. Do you know what made her fall in love? Law. Hi, my name is Okoro Blessing in Kiruka, one of the most famous relationship therapists, and I'm popularly known as Blessing CEO. Do you know what made you fall in love? Identity. So first of all, who are you? If people will be loving you as a human being, they can love a mad person now. You will see anybody in the street and love. There is an identity that connects people to you. Be you a man, be you a woman. It's even more for a man, because a woman wants to connect with a man that have identity. Why? Because in the society where we are, if your man have identity, you can hide at his back. That's the reason why you see a lot of women want to date, men that have name and personality. Because if your husband have name and personality, you'll be answering the wife of a doctor, the wife of a lawyer. We can always hide as women with our husbands or our men's identity. I'm dating a law student. My boyfriend is a lawyer. My boyfriend is in medical school. Even me, if I'm not in school, I'm good. I don't know why I'm sweating. Identity. So as a man, you don't have to pick offense when people ask you, who are you? Before you start to look for love, you need to first of all find out, who am I? Because there is no woman you want to love or marry that does not want an identity. It's not gold digging. Every woman wants something that she wants to be proud of. No matter how small, it's called identity. Even if you have not achieved it, but you are getting there. So as a man, that's the first step. If you want to get a woman to love you for who you are, you must first of all find out who you are. Like I asked you, who exactly are you? When you tell a girl right now, baby, I love you, I might not have all the money in the world to give you, but I want you to love me for who I am. And the girl asks you, who are you? What are you going to tell her? Because you cannot tell me that you don't know who you are, yet you don't still have money. You can't be that. No. You should be bold to tell a woman that this is who I am. I'm so and so person. I might not have gotten to where I'm going to, but I'll get there. Every woman loves a confident man. Somebody like me, if you want to get me, I love men with guts. If you don't have guts as a man, you can't get me. I love men with balls. Men that know where they are going to. Men that know what they want. One man saw me and said, Blessing, I like you. You are my kind of woman. But the reason why I never pursue you now, because I never fit afford you. Hi! You be one woman. Could you guys get me hanky? He said to me, I admire you so much, and you're one woman that inspires me to want to work hard. Number 2, if you want a woman to love you for who you are, date your level. When I say date your level, some men don't understand. I'll break it down on this video. Dating your level as a man reduces pressure on you. When you date your level, you will not be unnecessarily pressured. What is the meaning of level? Level simply means a particular class. Level simply means what you can conveniently afford. Level is a lifestyle. There are some girls that you want that you cannot afford their lifestyle. Why are you punishing yourself? You are earning 100,000, yet you want to date Beyonce. Is that one not suicide mission? You are earning 200,000, but you want Nicki Minaj. Is that one not ritual? You want to go and do ritual, Shebi? If you date your level, you will reduce unnecessary. But the fact is, you men want to date women that you cannot afford. So they now begin to put unnecessary pressure on you. You often hear this word where men say, you want us, men will go do ritual. Boys though, not men. When some boys will say, you want us, men will go do ritual. Now, see what happens. As a young boy, you will use your young girlfriend to do ritual to impress people like us. We will never get impressed. What did I say? As a small boy now, you go use your young girlfriend, do ritual to call impress blessing, see you. You can never impress me because you're not my level. Your Toyota Spider will not move me because I drive a Benz. Your Dorime will not move me because I pop champagne every day. You are just stressing yourself because you don't want to date your level. There is a girl you can impress with 200 naira. She's your level. There's a girl you can impress with 100 naira. She's your level. As you grow in life, your levels begin to change. Some of you men put unnecessary pressure on yourself because you want to date a woman that is above your means. How do you now want her to love you for who you are? Let's be honest. The pressure is what you are putting on yourself. Nobody's pressuring you. Because it's you that went to go and ask the girl out. She was on her own. You went to go and pursue her. I was looking for an address. I was driving around somewhere. I wanted to go and see somebody. I was looking for an address. So I think I missed my way because I've never been to that place before. So I stopped on the road and wind down my glass. I was driving a Mercedes Benz. So I saw two young guys walking. I said, good afternoon. Please, I'm looking for so and so junction. They now told me, okay, I'm almost close. That I should just go like 3 minutes. They gave me a landmark. That when I get to where that mango tree is, that's where the place I'm looking for is. I told them, thank you. I was about to leave. The other one told me, fine girl. I like you. See as you fine. Ha! Ha! If you see the way I looked at him. And I smiled. And I drove off. You can imagine a young boy. You people say it's an insult. If you see his slippers alone, see how he's shouting, fine girl, on a woman who is in a Mercedes Benz. You know you cannot afford the lifestyle. If you talk and they say you have insulted them. Just because I parked and asked you for a road, you have turned it to fine girl. If I ask you to put fuel in the car now, you will begin crying. Date your level. This hair I'm wearing, I bought it for 280 something thousand. That was, I've had this hair for like 3-4 years. Good. 280 something thousand. Then it don't cost now because everything don't cost. But there's a girl that can braid her hair for 3,000 naira. And she's even going to look more beautiful than me. You will not even have to pressure yourself to buy this hair. You will conveniently give her 3,000 naira. But no, you want blessing. But if blessing asks you to buy this hair now, you go begin fight. They find who won't make you do ritual. Date your level. I'm going to use myself as an instance. I stay in a 5-bedroom duplex. I pay over 4 million naira. 4-point-something million naira. There's a man that can conveniently pay that 4-point-something million naira. He will not blink an eye. He doesn't have to be a sugar daddy. You know, some small boys actually think that men that pay bills, they must be married men or sugar daddy. No. There's some guys that are doing well, that are single and they are young. There's a particular level to this shit. When I tell them, baby, my rent has expired, paying 4 million naira, they will not blink an eye. They are not sugar daddies, they are not married men. Why do you want to date me? When I tell you that my rent has expired, you'll be angry because you can't afford it. But there's a girl you can date and her rent is 50,000, her rent is 100,000. If she tells you, baby, my rent has expired, you can conveniently pay that rent. You will not blink an eye. The reason why a lot of people are angry when you talk about money is because they want women that they cannot afford. You cannot fly her in a private jet. Why do you want to get that flies private jet? Okay, let's quickly give an instance. You see that fine girl you are admiring inside a Mercedes Benz? Do you know why you are admiring her? It's because her makeup is still dark. It's because her hair is still well arranged. It's because she's looking beautiful under AC. So when she steps out of a Mercedes Benz, she's looking organized and looking tech. Do you know why it looks as if she looks more beautiful than the one that is jumping bike? Because the one that is jumping bike, she cannot wear the kind of hair the Mercedes girl Ben is wearing, because bike will fly the hair. Before she flies back and come down, her makeup don't scatter. Before she flies back and come down, her clothes don't scatter. Her skirts go down tear for back. So what you're admiring is the other one's packaging, not her beauty. You like the packaging. You like it when you see a woman driving with one hand inside Mercedes-Benz. You like it when a woman come down with one leg. You know, you like all those scenery. Her makeup is looking dark. She wears her eyeglass. You like it. But you can't afford it. It doesn't mean that the one in the Mercedes-Benz is finer than the one that is flying back. You only love the package, but you can't afford it. So that thing is not love. You just put yourself under unnecessary pressure. How can you love a woman you can't afford? How can you love a woman you cannot give? That's not love. Two things. Either you are a gigolo or you're a fuckboy. I've said it in one of my videos. The most happiest point of a man's life is when he can give the woman he loves. The most bitter point in a man's life is when he cannot give the woman that he loves. If a man truly loves you, his most exciting time. In fact, men actually use gifts to express love. His happiest time is when he can afford to buy you a car, afford to buy you a house, afford to spoil you. It's except the man is using you. So sometimes you see a lot of men very bitter and very upset when they cannot provide and give these women those things that they wish they could give them. Date your level. If you date your level, you will find true love. If you date your level, any little thing you give to your woman, she will appreciate it. If you date your level, you will not be struggling for women to love you for who you are. Because even your girlfriend knows that you are doing your best according to your capacity. But when you refuse to date your level, there is nothing you do that is enough for her. If you buy her iPhone 13 now, she could say, iPhone 14 will soon be out. Have you not seen when you give a girl a gift and she'll be like this? Baby, you don't like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. Have you not seen it? And have you not seen when you give a girl a gift and she'll be jumping like rats? There was this guy, one of my friends used to date. What this guy used to buy for my friend is okreka. Bend down, select. Hold on, guys. Sorry about that. Her boyfriend will buy her bend down select. When this boyfriend brings this bend down select, my friend will be jumping like rats. Okreka. But because she realized that that is his level, and she could have imagined how extra he went to, and he knows how to shop. You know that time, now okreka, now they get correct clothes. When you date your level, you will find true love. The reason why you are so afraid that a woman is loving you for what you have is because you know that either she's not your level or you are not her level. That's the reason why every time you are thinking that a woman wants to come and rob you, the woman wants to come and steal from you. This woman, she too like money. Or you date women that have money now. No. Because when you have money and you date a woman that have money, you will conquer the fear of she's coming to me for my money. But like I said in a couple of my videos, a lot of men actually want to date girls that don't have, because they want to be able to manipulate you. Some men actually select girls that are broke to date. Yes, they do. They like them because when when you are a wealthy man and you select a broke girl that don't have money, you'll be manipulating her. So some men intentionally select ladies that are below them so that they can manipulate you. That's the truth. Date your level. When you date your level as a man, a relationship will be so sweet. You are not going to be under pressure. Nobody is going to make you to do ritual. What are you doing ritual for? When your girlfriend is very, very content with what you give her. When you can afford your girlfriend conveniently, you are earning 100,000 and you're dating your level. All your girlfriend needs is 30,000 for maintenance. You are earning 100,000. All your girlfriend needs is 10,000 for maintenance. How will you go and do ritual? You will do ritual when you are earning 100,000 and you go and date the one that need 500,000 for maintenance. Is that not suicide? You want to die? Tomorrow you start looking for who is putting pressure on you. Many times you choose your pressures as men. You are the one putting pressure on yourself. There are so many beautiful girls that don't even need too much maintenance. Yes, there are so many beautiful girls that are still untouched. They are natural. They don't even need all this hair that we are wearing. There are so many beautiful girls that have natural shape, no liposuction. Flat tummy, no slim tummy. They're not wearing gidu belts. No, you will leave them and come to us. When we tell you to buy human hair, you can say, bah. When we tell you to package, because celebrity life na packaging. If you want to date a celebrity, you must contribute to their package. Because our life na package, because the public have a certain expectation of us. We can no longer be ourselves. So we have a particular thing that we package to impress the public as celebrities, as public figures. Because our audience are expecting you to, just like now, I have my natural low cut, but I cannot come on my natural low cut all the time if they go say this blessing self. So she should not get money. I have to wear expensive wig. So you cannot say you want to date Blessing CEO and you will not contribute to my packaging. Then you are on a long term. As a public figure, we become expensive because of the expectation the public have for us. Date a normal girl now, if you don't have money. Date a young girl now that will not pressure you. Date that pretty girl that nobody have expectation from now. Date that normal girl that can take the little that you give to her. Is Blessing CEO you want to date? Then if Blessing CEO tell you that she cannot date poor man, you are angry. Why are you angry? Do I look in any way poor? This thing you are liking on Facebook, if I post picture, oh my God, you look cute. Now money. Photo shoot, one picture now 50,000. Anybody where they Lagos, go ask. Photo shoot, one shoot, 50,000. Clothes where we they wear, now money. All those packaging where you they admire for Facebook and Instagram, now money. So you want to date Blessing CEO, you don't want to contribute to the packaging. Date your level. The reason why a lot of you men suffer so much is because you date people that are above you. You now be struggling to impress woman. Ritual. You end up going to impress the girls that did not even appreciate you. Who do you want to impress if you do ritual? Those girls that told you no. Those girls that looked at you from head to toe and tell you to get out. Funny enough, you never use those girls for ritual. You use the ones you love for ritual and impress the ones you don't love. That's the fucking irony of life. Ritual. Now your real girlfriend you go do ritual. Go impress the girl who insult you. Go impress the girl who not deserve to chop your money. A lot of men want to impress girls that don't deserve their money. Prostitutes. Girls on the streets, the one will tell you no last 3 years. Why the one will stand by you, never see your 1 naira? Who you they buy Benz for? Now your girlfriend you carry in front of your Benz. Not be street girls you carry in front of your Benz. Not be girls when you even know how you make the money you want impress, put in front of your Mercedes Benz. How many times your girlfriend don't sit down there? How many times your girlfriend don't sit down? That girl will stand by you. Not be the same girl you go use do ritual. Because if that's your babalawo won't tell you make you do ritual, your babalawo will tell you say make you bring the one way you love and the one way love you. No be so. Babalawo not the tell you make you bring your hater if you want to do ritual. Now still those girls will stand by you. You go still go impress those girls where they streets. Tomorrow you go come talk say person they make you they do ritual. When you get your level, you will never think about ritual. Wasn't they make you want go do ritual? Now pressure. Who they pressure you? You they pressure yourself. Because you make choices that you cannot afford. You see me for business class. You do economy. Fine girls, full economy. You don't ask anyone out. You walk come business class. I give you my number. You tell me, say you want make I come see you. I tell you, nigga, book my flight tickets. And you are booking business class. You begin vex. Tell me, say now economy you feel afford. Oga, you dey high. But you see me for business class now. You can't dey shout, make I love you for who you are. Come on now. What they do like this? Me will fly business class. I know see economy. Na level. We dey grow, reach that level. The reason why we are all struggling to be successful is so that we can climb one level or the other. That's the essence. I stayed in a one room. From one room, I moved to a self-contained. From self-contained, I moved to a one bedroom. For one bedroom, I moved to two bedroom. From two, I moved to three. I am one woman that took all the step. From 3 bedroom, I moved to a 5-bedroom duplex. From a 5-bedroom duplex, I'm moving to my own house. This house that they see right now, a 5-bedroom, 2 parlor. In fact, 3 parlor, anti-parlor, this parlor, and my children's parlor upstairs. Now, from this 5-bedroom duplex, I moved to my own house. Now, step by level. No, they vex. All of us don't pass that level, and the reason why all of us struggle now because we want to leave one level to the other. Date your level. You know, they under pressure. Date your class. When you get to a particular level, you will not struggle to pay a certain bill. You get some kind level where you go reach. To give girl 5 million naira, not gonna be wahala for you. You don't need to be a sugar daddy. There are some young, successful men that are not sugar daddies, that are not married men, that give women more than that. What are you talking about? It's level. No be Yahoo, no be ritual. There are some young, successful men that are doing well. They can afford it. But there was a time they cannot afford it. Date your level. Because oftentimes, it's the fact that you want to meet a woman's need. That is what puts you under unnecessary pressure to go and do things that are legal and not legal. Date your level. When you date your level, relationship becomes easy. You will not put yourself under unnecessary pressure. Come on. But if you refuse to date your level, you would suffer emotionally. How are you going to suffer emotionally? Because you will never be able to please your woman. When you date a woman, where's my lip gloss? When you date a woman that is above your level, there is nothing you do for her that is enough. If na ritual you say you want to do, you go do ritual until you go use yourself, do ritual. And even when you use yourself, do ritual, she no go still come your burial. She go still go see another man when you die. The beauty about a relationship is appreciation. Many of you don't know so much about relationship and marriage. Now, let me teach you something. The beauty about relationship and marriage is the fact that somebody appreciates my efforts. Because for you to be in a relationship or a marriage, there's an effort. If you are not ready to put in effort, you cannot date. Sorry, guys. If you're not ready to put in effort, you cannot date and you cannot marry. So oftentimes, what kills a lot of people in relationship is the fact that I am trying and you're not appreciating that effort that I'm putting. That is what makes relationship and marriage good. What is effort? The little that your husband or your man gives to you. Oh, baby, thank you. I appreciate it. God bless. You don't even know how excited a man is when you appreciate the man. But appreciation comes from level now. What I'm using right now to do my video, where's my phone? What I'm using right now to do my video is an iPhone 13 Pro Max. If you buy me an iPhone 10 or an iPhone 6, I won't appreciate it. Because I've passed that level now. I'll just say, thank you. I might dash it to my younger sister. It's not because it's not a phone or the phone, but I've passed that level. If you want to buy me a phone now, you have to buy me from iPhone 12, 13, or the latest 14. That's the truth. So, when you give me that iPhone 6 and I do like this, thank you, you will feel it. You first of all ask me, baby, you don't like the phone? I'll say, I like it.
'Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware